Hello, Arvind is there. Welcome back to my channel. Pigmentation, brown patches, uneven skin tone is one of the most common skin problem that many of us suffer from. Now, this problem should not be ignored and it should be treated properly. You need to follow a proper skin caring routine and include effective ingredients in your skincare which gives you results. Now, when it comes to pigmentation, I have made many videos and recommended many products, but in this video I am going to recommend a product which I have been using from almost 2 months. This is Novology Pigmentation Control Serum. Now this serum comes with the HNR3 technologies, means 3 powerful ingredients. First ingredient is hexylresorcinol, which target that one particular melanin which is responsible for pigmentation. So it treats the problem from the root and gives you results. Second ingredient is niacinamide, very familiar ingredient, known for its brightening properties, reduces inflammation, reduces sebum, and that also gives you brighter skin. Third ingredient is retinol propionate, a potent form of retinol, very gentle, means it is suitable for people with sensitive skin also. It will give you results without irritating your skin. This ingredient will not only improve overall texture of your skin but also helps to reduce your dark spots. Now I have used almost 2 bottles of this serum, as you can see, and whenever I recommend any product in my video, I always use it on my skin, and when I am convinced that it will give result, then only I'll recommend that product in my videos. So this ingredient list has really impressed me a lot. HNR3 technology, that was the brand claims. They have a whole range of this pigmentation control series, and you have face wash, serum and moisturizer also. You can try those one also. Those products I haven't tried, so I won't recommend, but this serum definitely worth buying. It retails around 700 or 800 price range, and it is many times it is out of stock on Amazon, so it's so much in demand. This HNR3 technology, this combo of ingredient gives results. It really works. Now when you are using this serum, as you can see, it discolorates in 2 color. The pale color comes up and the darker color, the peach color, that comes down. So always shake your bottle very well before you use it to mix the 2 ingredients very well. You can see it is a peach color serum, water-like texture, so it will not make your skin heavy, sticky, and everyone can use it. So this serum you can try if you have tried many products like alpha-butene transamic acid and kojic acid, which I have also recommended in many videos to treat your pigmentation and dark patches. If you haven't got result with those ingredients, then try this. This will give you result. HNR3 technology, hexylresorcinol, niacinamide, and retinol propionate. This combo will definitely target your pigmentation from root, and it will also prevent it from coming back. So try this serum and you will definitely see, but you have to be consistent with it. Whenever you are starting any skincare, don't expect magic will happen in 1 week or 2 weeks, because these things need time. Pigmentation will go, but you will have to be patient with it. You will need to give it time. Follow a skincare routine religiously without missing it, and you start using it in your PM skincare routine. You will use it only once in a day at night because it has got retinol in it. So I will not suggest you to use it in morning time. Use it in your night. Follow up with a good moisturizer, a sleeping mask, whatever you use according to your skin type, and you will see results at least for 6 weeks. Keep that time, because I've also seen results with this product and I've been using it from almost 2 months now. So this was my product recommendation. If you want to get rid of your pigmentation and dark patches, use Novology Pigmentation Control Serum to get rid of them. So if you like skincare related content, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.